Engine oil replacement in a vehicle is usually done after 10 or 15,000 kilometers, depending on the manufacturer's specifications. The process involves draining the oil and replacing oil filter with a new one. Step 1. Park the vehicle on a two-post lift. Step 2. Attach the arms of the lift to the respective jacking points. If the engine is hot, allow it to cool down. Keep the tools and equipments ready for the oil replacement procedure. Step 3. Open the engine compartment. Step 4. Locate the engine oil filler cap. Step 5. Open the engine oil filler cap. Step 6. Raise the vehicle to a comfortable working height. Step 7. Locate the drain plug under the vehicle. Step 8. Using a suitable spanner, slightly loosen the drain plug. Caution: the engine oil will be at high temperature. Do not open cap immediately, as it can cause injury and burns. Step 9. Place the drain tank under the drain plug. Step 10. Position the drain tank in such a way so that the oil drains into the tank. Step 11. Open the drain plug. Hold the drain plug and carefully loosen the drain plug more until it is almost out. Shift your hand on the drain plug upwards to prevent injury. Open the drain plug keeping your hand upwards. Step 12. Locate the oil filter. Usually located next to the drain plug. Step 13. Using an oil filler wrench, loosen the oil filter. Step 14. Allow the oil to drain from the drain pipe into the oil tank. Step 15. Rotate and carefully remove the oil filter. Step 16. Take the new oil filter. Step 17. Apply a thin layer of new engine oil on the seal of the new oil filter. Step 18. Rotate and fix the oil filter into the oil filter compartment. Step 19. Check if the filter is fixed tightly. Caution: do not over-rotate or apply force while fixing the oil filter, as you may damage the new oil filter. Step 20. Remove the washer from the drain plug. Step 21. Replace the drain plug washer with a new one. Check if the drain plug is fixed properly. Step 22. Using a torque wrench, apply the specified torque. Step 23. Lower the vehicle to a comfortable working height. Step 24. Using a measuring jar, measure the quality of new oil as prescribed by the manufacturer. Step 25. Using a funnel, pour the new oil into the engine through the oil filler. Step 26. Close the engine oil filler with its cap. Step 27. Start the engine. Step 28. Keep it running for a few minutes. Check the under of the vehicle for any oil leakage. Step 29. Switch off the engine. Wait for 10 minutes for the oil to settle down. Step 30. Check the level of oil with the help of a dipstick. Step 31. Place back the dipstick in its location. Step 32. Close the engine compartment.